Hey, what's up, YouTube? Check it out. I got a tool haul for you guys. And on this tool haul, I'm going to be featuring products from Snap-on and CTA and some products that I already own from Milwaukee. So yeah, let's get into it. All right, start out. I got these pliers right here from Snap-on. These are small, little 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-inch pliers from Snap-on, and they're precision machined, and these are sweet little pliers, spendy suckers. I think they're about 40 bucks a piece or so, but they got some nice cross hatching, and I like how these have that angle to it. They get into really tight places, so they're excellent for automotive or even other types of electrical work. A couple of tool hauls back, I showed these Bondhus products right here that I got, and I speculated that they were the same ones that Snap-on sold, and I'm pretty solid positive on that because I looked at the Snap-on site before I ordered this set, and this is the exact set pictured on their website for like 40 bucks, and I paid like 15 bucks or so for this set. And these are the Pro Hold set. Let me get the package. All right, here it is, the Pro Hold Torque 71834 PHTX8, and this is the T9 all the way up to T40, made in the USA, world's strongest steel, world's best, and they got this probably anti-cam out sort of feature. And I don't know if they'll pick it up, but we could go with the 25 and the 25 on this set. And, you know, people say you could get those Torx keys for cheap, yada yada yada, for pennies, Well, yeah, you could get them really cheap, but they're probably not any good, and they're probably not even organized or have the size on them or anything. So, yeah. And I'm pretty sure that Bondhus is a lifetime warranty on their products. But yeah, I could definitely tell the difference. The one on the left is going to be the Pro Hold. You can just kind of tell it's got a little bit more of like they're flatter, you know? Let's see if I get closer. This is the Pro Hold right here. I want to wrap that one up right there, and we're going to move on to the next subject of what I really brought this video on to be about, was these tools right here. These 1/4-inch hex drivers, the impact CTA tools, part number 4223, and this is a 6-piece flip socket set, sizes 8 and 10 millimeter, 9 and 11, 12 and 14, 13 and 15, and you get a 3-inch adapter and a 5-inch adapter. And these are made in Taiwan, and this is like a brand new set because it's copyrighted 2020 right up on there, you know? Nice case. You could pop the lid off so you could just easily access it, or you can pack it up and just put it in your to-go box. Got a dog hair. And this set's awesome. It's a 12-point set, so very versatile and pretty accurate, so you could pretty much go rant on any nut, as they'd say, and you can get right off. No screwing around. You won't have to hit the trigger or anything. It goes right on the fastener. And it comes with adapters, and they're all laser engraved. I don't think they're no, they're not imprinted, but they are laser engraved with the part numbers on them, and the part number is right up on here too for each socket if you needed to buy them individually for some reason. So yeah. And then I have my stubby out here because I'm going to be keeping this in a to-go bag in the vehicle with this snap-on flip socket set. And that flip socket set is part number 203 FLSM. And you're going to have sizes 17 and 19 millimeter, 21 and 22 millimeter, with a 3-inch extension on a 3-inch drive anvil, made in the USA. It's a flank drive. So I'm looking forward to using this setup right here. First sockets from Snap-on that I've purchased myself. I think I have like one other Snap-on socket, so yeah, I haven't had too much experience with Snap-on sockets, just the ratchets and pliers in there. These things, actually I haven't used these things yet, so I can't even say I'm experienced with them yet. Alright, my dog started drinking water, so I had to cut it. He was starting to slurp and be loud, but I'm going to show you guys how these things basically work. You just basically put that on there, and this is a locking adapter, so it just went right on there. And you're gonna go like this, put this on there, there's that right there, like that, and just ran right off. Pretty easy to work, simple that is that. You just go on to your next size, just like that, and you're set. And this set, you can actually pick this set up from Jersey Discount Tool Co. Shout out to those guys. They're on the whole other side of the country from me. I'm literally not even an hour from the coast, like 40 minutes, and they're probably not even 40 minutes from their coast, so shoot. Whole different sides of the world. Not necessarily the world, but the country. This country's huge. And we need to unite as one. None of that negativity. We all like the same things. We're all here for the same thing, basically. Right? Our love for tools. Showing people tools. And yeah. I want to cut it off at that, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. This is